Well, if you watched our last video, you probably saw or heard what we're going to be doing this weekend, or on this video, I should say. But if you didn't, I'll fill you in. So today's plan, as you can see, the machine's loaded up and it's on our dump truck. This is the first time the dump truck's going to pull this machine. Finally switched out the ball and the trailer hitch to be able to pull the machine. So we're going to be taking our skid steer, our dump truck, and we're teaming up with our neighbors over here at McCloud Landscaping. So Jimmy over here at McCloud Landscaping, you guys have probably seen all his trucks and all the videos, and if you haven't, if you're on TikTok, he's got a pretty good following on there. If you look McCloud Landscaping, you'll find him. All his trucks are the black and red lettering. So he's taking his 650 and he's got his brand new Cat 304 mini excavator. He's only had this thing for like 2 weeks. It's only got like 10 hours on it. I don't even think he's used it twice. So he's really looking forward to getting down there and using this thing. Literally brand new machine. No scratches, no dirt on it, nothing. So the plan is we're gonna use the two machines to dig out some stumps, some rocks, clear out some spots. I'm getting married in June, so we're going down to the property where I'm getting married at. I've been doing a lot of work down there, just haven't really got any video and put it on the channel, but I've already done some work with my machine. But now we're at the point I need a mini to dig. There's some stumps that need to be dug out and some rocks that need to be dug. So it'll be perfect. We'll bring his machine. He's got his forks on the trailer for my machine. And then the plan for a couple of the bigger stumps is he can dig them, we'll push it onto the forks, and then I can scoop them and grab them, and we could, move them to where we need to go. So, not sure what else. We got a lot of stuff we can play around with. There's a good amount of property down there, and, we kind of, her uncle basically said, do whatever you want. So, I know he's really excited because he wants to learn that machine and get really comfortable in it because it's, so new to him. Even same with me. I mean, I've only used my machine a handful of times, so it's always good to, play with it. I've only put less than 100 hours on this since we've had it last winter, so barely used the thing. But be a good chance for both of us to get out and get working. We've worked together in the past on some projects. It'd be good to, kind of work together and just play around, It's been a boring week for me, at least. I'm not sure about Jimmy over there, but it's that time of year where there's nothing going on. There's no snow. It's too warm for, that. And it's just not pool season yet, so it's been a very boring stretch. So really looking forward to getting out and actually playing around with the machines and stuff. So, all right, we'll be on our way shortly and get going. All right, guys, we've arrived on site. So the plan today is we're just gonna clean up this wooded area. I cleaned this all out. This used to be all woods like that over there. So we're gonna clean this whole area up, pick out all the rocks, stumps, all that good stuff. He's obviously got his machine, so I'm gonna use my machine to move the bigger stuff. He's gonna dig out the smaller stuff with his. Do you want to go put this on the wall? You missed. Bury it back up. Alright, so what we're doing, we're just kind of picking rocks and cleaning up stuff, but it is getting, it's really soft back here. A lot of, you know, muck and stuff. So I think we're going to start aborting mission pretty soon. We got all the big stuff out we wanted to, but it's just getting too soft, even for the tracks. So just picking the last couple rocks, probably get out of here, get some other stuff doing the other side of the property.
What's he trying to do? thing?
It sounds like that TikTok.
What? Steve, it's like David in that game.
Yeah, the claw game. That's all it is. It's a giant claw game. Hey, I don't have the swing. I don't have the...
He doesn't have the... He broke the rock. Careful.
What do you want this? Rock pile over there, maybe? Want to stop it there so you don't have to move?
Oh, it's a baby. Put her in the hole. Yay.
Hey, look, I found another.
Oh, you tipped it in.
Yeah, we just finished up our wall that we just built. We just threw rocks around the whole perimeter of the property. It's all rocks we dug out of the back. So he's just kind of back dragging and cleaning up the mess a little bit. We're gonna bring in topsoil in here in the spring and put grass in. It looks really good. So that's gonna be a wrap for today. I know I didn't get a lot of talking video or anything like that, just been so busy in the machines, but got everything done we wanted to get done. Got all the stumps moved, all the rocks done, everything dug out, so everything cleaned up. So we're in really good shape. But that's gonna be it for this video. He's just finishing up. We'll get the machines loaded up and we're probably gonna go home. It's starting to get dark. It's almost 3:30. Sunset's about 4:30, so I want to get these machines back to the shop before it gets too dark. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Something a little different. We'll see you guys in the next video.